raining out here. That means we can't do bashing, but we can do some crawling. So here I have my highly modified Redcat Gen 7. There's about $400 of upgrades into this truck. So altogether this is about a $600 truck you're looking at right here with all the upgrades. So I'm going to go in the woods, and I'm going to assume they're flooded. The woods are flooded because it's been raining so much, and I want to take this thing back there and do some mudding in the woods. But I don't want to wreck my Traxxas TRX4 tires, so I'm going to put these back on it, and these are glued. These are the stock tires, but they're glued, so there's no, these are meant for swamping and stuff. But in one of them, yeah, this one, the glue is leaking, so we're going to peel that off and fix that. Alright, so I peeled the plug off of this one, which that was leaking. So now it's fully, air's going through it now. But the bead lock, there is yeah, that's kind of leaking too, so we do have to do a rim of glue around the bead lock too, and we just have to squirt some in that hole right there, and acts like a plug. Well, that's warming up. Let's take a look at the yard here. So this is all flooded right here. Some standing water right there. Let's go. Oh wow, a lot of standing water right there. So we can do some crawling back here in the underwater yard. A lot of standing water right there. Barely raining, but it rained all night. Oh, there goes some deer. That scared me. Alright, so let's see what we're looking like back here. Hey. How you doing? Well, here we have both deer. Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna leave. That is a massive buck. It's starting to rain a little more now. Oh, I got a WD-40 running off of it there. You can see that. Colorful water there. Chemicals are washing off of it. You guys just should have let it soak for a little bit. And we're high centered. We found some mud in there too. Oh, and I just flung it all over me. Can we get out? Alright. Oh, here comes the rain. It's coming a little bit harder now. Ugh. Drove right into it. That was stupid. Ah. See, can we make it through all these? plants and stuff here. Oh. Alright. Sticks. Oh yeah. And we ventured pretty far. Oh, there's one of our deer friends right there. There we have the massive buck right there. Hey buddy. Oh, we got a problem here. Oh man, this is pretty rough terrain here. Here we got a good good crawling spot right here. Let's see what we can do in here. Oh man, this is going to be tough right here. So let's try this. Oh man, here comes the rain. Oh man. Oh, we got that slippery jar right there. Oh, we just broke that stick. It must be really soggy. Oh, hung up on a branch. Now we gotta get over this. Perfect. Just like that. We made it up the hill. Made it up that little hill. See if we can squeeze through here. Climb up some rocks. Yeah, look at this. It's pretty tight in here. Good grief. Well, let's make our way this way. Ugh. So many sticks. Alright. I think we'll make our way that way. Go back around. Oh, this is going to be challenging right here. Okay, maybe not. This is where we are back here. So this part, I'm going to guess, is going to be pretty hard. Oh, we already got that stuck in our bumper. Oh yeah, so we're gonna have to let's see if we can make it around this here. Easy, wow, that did very well. I think we'll try and make it up that way. Should we go that way? I think we're gonna try and go that way. Oh man, it's very tight in here. Oh. Well, here we are making our way back. This is gonna be really hard right here. Yeah, we got that stick. Nice, made it over. Well, here's muddy right here. It's a muddy trail. And then we're back here. What are we stuck on? Stuck on something up here. That. You know what, let's come up this way. Yeah, this will be better. Oh, dude, yes. Wow, man. It got over there easy. I just went through that. Alright, let's see if we can make it back over here, and we're back to the start. Sweet. Between the trees. Oh yeah. That's deep. Jeez, dude. Wow. So many things to get caught on here. Alright, well let's go back to that rock, see it get through that. Alright, let's see it make some easy work of this. This is some deep water right here. See if we can make a lap. We got a stick over there. Nice. And we're gonna flip over. Alright, well I think that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. If you guys did enjoy, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next episode of RCT&D. Bye. Here's a little sneak peek of next episode when the rain lightens up.